Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily enable and disable dark mode in Gemini. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step-by-step process to you can easily enable dark mode in Gemini. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open our Google Chrome browser, and here you can see that this is my Google Chrome, and here we are simply search Gemini. So when I search Gemini, then I get this option, and whenever you want to access this Gemini, you must log in with your Gmail account so you can access it. Right now you can see that this is my Gemini, and here you can see all things are showing in light white background, right? Let's see something. Here we are going to type something, right? Please suggest me file invest name or computer, right? And here Gemini will give you the name, okay? So friend, here you can see that these are the sample names which is Gemini is suggesting to us. Now we want to dark mode these things very easily, okay? So here we are going to show you where is the dark mode option. So friend, here you can see that this is gear icon which is showing over here. So we are going to simply click on this icon, and here you will get these options, right? Here you can see that the dark mode option. When I click here, then you can see that all things I can read very easily. And if you want to remove the dark mode, you simply click on this toggle button, so your page will shrink like a light mode. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can simply enable dark mode in Gemini. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and families so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. If you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because friends, we are uploading a very unique tutorial over here. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned with me.